Are you looking for the best spindle sander? In this video, we will break down the top 5 spindle sander on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. WEN 6510T 3.5 amp Oscillating Spindle Sander. This is probably one of the best oscillating spindle sanders with a budget-friendly price tag. With a 3.5 amp motor and a compact yet portable design, you will find similar results with this sander and many other high-end options. You can get a speed output of up to 58 OPM while the motor runs at 2000 RPM. You won't have to carry any accessories in hand while working as it has dedicated onboard storage for that. You will also get a dust collection port that will help you keep the work area clean. Even with moderate power, this spindle sander weighs only 30 pounds. Therefore, it can be considered a good option for eventual transportation. Along with the sander, you will get 6 different types of sleeve attachments that are 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inches, and 3 inches respectively. There is a 2 years of manufacturer's warranty period on WEN 6510T that includes free repairs under the warranty period. At number 2. Shop Fox W1831 Oscillating Spindle Sander. What we really like about the Shop Fox W1831 single-phase oscillating spindle sander is that it has so many helpful features. The 1/2 horsepower 3.5 amp motor can generate 58 oscillations and 2000 rotations per minute, allowing for even sanding. Each stroke covers 5 by 8 inch, allowing you to cover plenty of ground but still sand with precision. This tool really comes in handy for smoothing workpieces after they've been cut by a band saw or scroll saw. With 6 different sizes of sanding sleeves, this device makes it possible to sand inside curves measuring down to 1/2 inch in diameter. Also, the unit comes with various inserts to close the gap between the table insert and the drum, giving you maximum support for all your sanding tasks. With a 1 to 1/2 inch dust port, you can connect a shop vac for seamless cleanup. One thing we especially like about this unit is that it's designed with safety in mind. If you share your household with young children or just want to keep others from using your sander, there is a removable key that locks the power switch. At number 3. WEN HA5932 Portable Oscillating Spindle Sander. Weighing a meager 6.64 pounds, this product makes for a lightweight, portable spindle sander. Even better, users can alter the sanding speed to anything between 1800 and 3200 RPM. If you're experienced at sanding, imagine the output you could produce with an oscillating rate of 50 to 90 times per minute. It can easily be transformed into a bench-top spindle sander by using the mounting pad and clamps. Apart from these detachable parts, the top plate can be adjusted to ensure efficient material removal cycles. The extremely comfortable handheld feature allows users to access tight places for sanding tasks quickly. Moreover, the 4-inch stroke assures spotless sanding with an utterly butter-like smooth finishing. At number 4. Triton TSPS 450 Oscillating Spindle Sander. This oscillating sanding machine offered by Triton is convenient, easy to move around, and perfect for sanding irregular shapes. Users love the quality and the price, but some do note that they don't like the table inserts. The Triton Spindle Sander features a 3.5 amp motor, a 11.5 inch into 14.5 inch table, a rotating and oscillating action, which is excellent for improving speed, precision, and efficiency, and a weight of 33 pounds. Another great thing about this product is that it has 6 sanding sleeves with rubber drums in addition to onboard storage space to keep your accessories in one place. As a whole, purchasers are impressed with the design and performance of the product, and they highly recommend it as one of the best spindle sanders available. At number 5. POWERTEC OS 1000 Oscillating Spindle Sander. This oscillating spindle sander is tailored to address all your sanding needs with ease. The machine is capable of sanding odd shapes and wooden curves efficiently and conveniently. It comes with a 2x5 HP induction motor that operates at speeds of 1725 RPM with 30 oscillations per minute. One of the most impressive aspects of this sander is that its oscillation action is slow but sure. This significantly reduces friction heat, ensuring that your workpieces do not get marring spots or dents. Furthermore, the reduced friction not only prolongs sleeve life but also extends the life of the machine in general. The cast iron work table measures 18 inches in diameter, providing sufficient space for larger pieces. The table inserts are made of steel rather than plastic. This means greater performance with more reliable results.